How can I convert my existing SIM card to eSIM?
Hello there. In today's video, we'll be taking a look at how you can convert your existing physical SIM card into an eSIM. eSIM, or electronic SIM, is a digital SIM card that can be activated without the need for a physical SIM card. It makes it easier to switch between networks and manage multiple numbers, providing a great deal of flexibility.
What do you need beforehand?
Before we dive into the process, let's make sure you're ready to convert your SIM into an eSIM. Device compatibility. Firstly, ensure that your device supports eSIM. As of my knowledge cutoff in September 2021, many of the latest smartphones and tablets, such as certain models of iPhones, iPads, Samsung Galaxy, and Google Pixel, support eSIM. Carrier support. Secondly, confirm that your mobile network carrier supports eSIM as well. Not all carriers do, so check with your provider. Active SIM. The SIM card you wish to convert should be active and in use. Backup. Make sure to back up all the important data on your phone. This is always a good idea before making any significant changes to your device.
How do you request an eSIM from your carrier?
Now that you're ready, let's dive into the process. Remember, this can vary depending on your carrier, but the basic steps are: Step 1. Contact your mobile network carrier. This can be done through their customer service hotline, through their website, or at a physical store. Step 2. Request to convert your physical SIM card to an eSIM. The representative should guide you through their specific process. Step 3. Your carrier will provide an eSIM installation pack. This will either be a QR code that you will scan with your device, or a digital eSIM that they'll send via email.
How to install the eSIM?
Once you've received your eSIM installation pack, you can install it on your device. Step 1. Go to the Settings on your device. Step 2. Find the Mobile Networks or Cellular settings. Step 3. Select Add Cellular Plan or Add Mobile Network. Step 4. Scan the QR code provided by your carrier or enter the details of the digital eSIM manually. And there you have it. That's how you convert your physical SIM card to an eSIM. Just remember, this is a general guide and the process may vary depending on your specific device and carrier. As always, if you run into any issues, contact your mobile network provider for assistance. Happy eSIM swapping!